ISPs don't run on one system. They run on dozens of disconnected tools. WISPGate brings everything into one operational ecosystem. Subscriptions control how internet plans are created, managed, and delivered. From pricing to provisioning, everything starts here. Topology gives real-time visibility of the entire network. Every node, every connection, fully mapped. Devices centralize all network hardware. Monitor, manage, and control infrastructure from one place. FTTX OLT manages fiber infrastructure at scale. From OLT deployment to ONU provisioning, fully controlled. Stock tracks all ISP inventory in real time. No missing equipment, no blind logistics. Ticketing centralizes customer support operations, faster resolution, clear accountability. Opportunities manages ISP sales pipelines. From lead to deal, fully structured. Organization chart defines how teams are structured and connected. Clarity across every department. WISPGate isn't a tool set. It's the operational backbone of modern ISPs.